Hello everybody, welcome back to TechTube. I hope you all are doing great. So today I am back with another tutorial video of how you can edit or unsend iMessages. So to get started, first of all go ahead and open up your message box on your mobile phone. So let's say for example I have opened this message on my mobile phone. Now here I'm sending some message to this particular friend and I have just sent it after typing it down. So let's say I have changed my mind now, I want to unsend this message. So what you can do is just long press on that message. Now here you can see many options: reply, undo send, edit, copy, translate, speak and more. So now what you can do is go ahead and tap on that undo send. Now if you click on edit, you can just edit that text and type down the text of your choice or simply edit the text. So now in order to unsend it, go ahead and tap on that undo send. So once you do that, your message will be unsent on your iMessage. So that's all guys, this is how easily you can edit or unsend iMessages. I hope you found the video to be helpful and informative. If yes, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and do not forget to press the notification bell for more updates.